tree. Here it is. We are having a giveaway. Yeah, hi friends. We are continuing our countdown for Christmas, and it's day 5 today. And guess what? We are having a giveaway. Yeah, it's true. We are having a giveaway today. So all we require is that you are active in this unboxing of advent calendars and this series of the countdown. And that's all. Comment below your thoughts about this series and what we have already unboxed. And guess what? I'll see one of you. Winner will be announced on Sunday. Let's go on. It's December 5, so we're opening the 5th drawer today. And let's start again with Harrods. Number 5 in Harrods. Oh, what is this? Looks like some royalty. So this is evidence. Let me show it to you right away so you can see it. It's the special mask. Is it for the hair? I'm not sure. To be honest, I'm not sure. It's from Evidence Beauté. It's a genuine ice wake-up mask for tired skin and dull complexions. You will be surprised by its instant cooling effects as soon as it's applied. Enriched with stimulating and purifying ingredients and with triple collagen, it helps tighten the pores, provides a lifting effect, and illuminates your skin. That sounds really good. So it's for the skin. Let's do Charlotte. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably a lipstick, I would say. And it's a mini one. Walk of No Shame lipstick. It's a beautiful color, actually. So this is a swatch. Now over to Cult. So this is from Kate Somerville. Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. It's smooth and minimize pores. So that's the one. But Kate Somerville, didn't I see somewhere that she is, that they are closing down? Did I see that somewhere? Enlighten me if you know. But this is Kate Somerville. Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. So that's good. It's with AHA and BHA. So for the skin concerns, dullness, enlarged pores, uneven skin tone and texture. That's really good. Let me know in the comments if you have tried anything from Kate Somerville before. I have never tried anything from her, so it could be interesting to see if anyone has. Number 5 from SpaceNK is huge today, so we have to get some more room to get it out. This is huge. I wonder what this is. It's from Naturium. Niacinamide Cleansing Gel, 3%. Wow. And this is a huge bottle. It's 210 milliliter or 7.1 fluid ounces. Let's have a look. So it is a gel. Wow. Okay. That looks really nice. What does it say? It says formulated with niacinamide to gently dissolve makeup, oil and other impurities for a healthier looking complexion. Apply a few pumps onto dry or damp skin and massage to emulsify. Rinse thoroughly. Overall, a pretty good day. I'm not too happy about the mini lipstick from Charlotte, but let me see, how much is it actually? Oh, well, it's not too bad. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And I think this color is really good. Or at least for me. It suits me. Remember that we have a giveaway today, and leave your comments. What do you think? I haven't decided yet what the winner of the giveaway will get. It depends on what country you're from and the shipping possibilities. I will draw the winner first, and then I will see what you will get. And maybe you can even choose. I will see. But the drawing will be on Sunday, and it might be one of these products. Hi again. As I promised you yesterday, I'm going to put up my Christmas tree today. And Louis wants to help me. Yeah. So this is my dog. It's a golden retriever, as you can see. He wants to help me. Christmas tree. Here it is. I have been on the attic to find my tree, my Christmas tree, and I promised you to get it up today. And Louis is here, he really wants to help us. I don't know how much help he'll be, but we will start and try to get it out. I'm not very good at this, but we just have to try, right? So the next one will be this. I thought I saw it here somewhere. Ooh. Okay. Oh, it's so easy peasy. And the last one on top. That's why I like this tree. It's so easy to fold out, bend it out a little bit. Okay, so let's see if we have any lights in it, but everything is working. Oh, there it is. That was so lucky. Oh, wow, it's working. It's working, you guys. Look at my beautiful tree. I think we will do the decoration of the tree tomorrow, actually. Come by tomorrow and we will do the decoration together. Hope you will join me then. See you then. Bye.